What's up, Rish family? We are live on YouTube. So if you be missing out on the lives, make sure you join in. Usually happens on the weekends. My boo right there. Got the live sitting in the back right there. We've been plugging up more on the interior, getting the dash more bolted down. These plugs in, figuring out where things get routed. You guys see, you know the memo. What up, y'all? Just wanted to update you real quick. It's like Saturday, midday or something like that. Evening, afternoon. I'm gonna say afternoon. We got some things buttoned up. Mainly everything in there is good. Mostly over there is good. Just have to connect the steering shaft. What up, y'all? I just wanted to give a little vlog update kind of thing because we're out here.
This is a Sagittarius hoodie.
So,
the front.
It's gonna be a custom one to all the zodiac signs, so there's multiple different ones. So if you guys are interested in something like that,
that's not just Rish merch, but it's, you know, Rish made.
But it's part of our thing. So if you guys are interested in merch, the best place to contact and keep track of it and make sure you guys are in contact is Rish Worldwide. So all the links are down below for all the IG social medias. Right now we're just out here taking photos of stuff. Let me just show you quickly what we got. This is called the Money T Rish, because, you know, it's the money sign outline is for like the green shirt kind of purpose, because green and money.
Comes in black outlined as well.
Yeah, it could come in black outline, any really color outline, but like it kind of makes sense with the green, but you can do it with anyone. Here we have the TSX Nerds merch that I created and I done up on Illustrator myself, and then we cut it out and heat pressed it. I'm really actually happy about this one. It came out pretty damn good. A lot of interest. So if you guys aren't part of the TSX Nerds Facebook group, it's something we created in like 2021 and kind of forgotten about. And then just randomly, like a couple months ago or something like that, it just started a lot of traction, gaining a lot of traction. And now we're getting like 100 new members, maybe a day, every 2 days, around there. So super active, so many posts a day. We have 2 group chats, buy and sell. So you guys want to get, you know, some TSX parts? There's a lot of people in there. There's 800 people in that group chat or something like that, or maybe like 600. I don't know how far we are yet. And then we have also a help and discussion one. So if you guys want to be part of the community, come join in. Follow all the social medias. It is down below. And of course we have the OG Rish t-shirts, and these come in a variety of colors. It's really whatever you want, and if it's in stock, I'll grab it, and bada bing bada boom. So if you guys want any merch, we also have like the Rish Worldwide and other things that we're trying out, but we still have to make a tester one. That we did one, but
we just want to finalize things.
Yeah, we want to finalize things before we fully present it. So these are the ones that are kind of like finalized. It's presentable. So if you guys want some, go check out all the social media links down below. Hit us up, go check it out.
Still out here.
All right, so a little behind the scenes action. We're doing like real clips. We're just kind of, the creative juices are flowing. You know, we got this energy running through us. So bouncing around like all these different, like, oh, this, that. And like, okay, let's get back to this and let's do this. How about that?
But we doing it.
Yeah, so more content and everything to come, more merch. We're just trying to make it happen, make time for a little bit of everything. Here we go for our walkie walks. I want to start showing you guys little bits and pieces, you know, in between whatever else we got going on, so you can see that it's not like we don't all have the time. We have our doggos, they need their walks daily. We are on our health and wellness stuff too, so we need our gym every, you know, couple times a week. We're not doing it every day anymore, but a couple times a week. We need our walks, we need to do store runs or whatever other life things, you know, business endeavors, edits. Like, everything takes time, man. It feels like we could like fit everything in one day, or, you know, setting and stuff, until you really get into it and you start like, oh, I can't. I feel like I didn't do shit because I had all these things on my list, but I can't get it done. You just gotta be realistic, you know? Realistic. Walks. I'll catch back with y'all. Battery's almost dead. This is the weather we've been needing, y'all. It's warm, getting hot, the sun is shining. It gets darker later. Yeah, that's weather. As y'all can see, I'm about to go hit the gym day today, and then tomorrow's gonna be kind of like a merch day because there's some orders that I got in. I have to stop for some blanks, and then we kind of have to focus on getting that done. Get those all packaged away, and then I can get it shipped. You know, I like to do things sooner rather than later. Pick up the blanks, cut it out, get it pressed, and get it shipped. So I try to give a little bit of leeway because work until 4:30, and with USPS and stuff, it's kind of a challenge to make it on time. or make it to one. We're about to hit the gym. It's a different one. It's like a family owned. It used to be a Gold's Gym. So we're gonna check that out because we're getting tired of Planet Fitness. Yo, so we made it to Coastal Family Fitness. I guess it used to be a Gold's Gym. So that gym was a dud because I don't know, they do things weirdly. That's not too bad of an angle. And it kind of like self moves and stabilizes, kind of. Kind of a good POV view. What up, y'all? You like this view? Got y'all on the tripod swinging and dangling on the oh shit handle. I will say my wrists and my hands and my elbows and stuff have been aching me quite a bit lately, and I think it's in like remnants of the accident we had. When it was coming, we got hit head on. I was sitting here racing for my life. Alright, so we're just gonna take a quick nap here at the light because you're able to do that here in Florida. Okay. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the Rish family. Look at what we have here. In-house pull-up bar. This is kind of cool. It's not like the sturdiest thing in the world, but it definitely works for what it is. This is nice to have in-house though. Did that already like 5 times today. Still building, y'all. Before, I wasn't able to do a single pull-up at all. I like the ones at the gym a little bit more, the way like set up, it's obviously more sturdier and taller, which we're gonna put this higher, but still does its job. Do 44. Let's see, this is good. She's the one that really mainly bought it, and she's like, yeah, I'm gonna start doing all this shit at the house. Going on an adventure, y'all. We gotta go to the store, pick up some blanks for more orders, get that done, show you guys the process when we do those t-shirts, and doing some more POV driving. You know, it's a beautiful day. We're just trying to get to it with some things. Lastly, we left off with like the dashboard on the rebuilt TSX. We got that in, basically all plugged up, except this one plug that we just don't know where it goes. Now we're like focused on doing some merch, getting the business going, getting some more designs and things solidified. So I'm mixing it up a bit. Come on this journey of the sporadic day in the life with Rish. Woo! Look at those shirts, y'all. Look at those shirts. TSX Nerds. So if you guys want to cop that t-shirt, it's available, made to order. Hit up the TSX Nerds IG. Is that the weird shit? Ooh, that Ferrari. Olive green. Anyway, we got this TSX Nerd shirt. We have this shirt. Yeah, I know. And then we have like OG Rish and Money Rish and then Rish World. All right. Let's go get these t-shirts.
We're doing a 2XL. This is the list, by the way, y'all.
Tracking. 2XL black. Always gotta make sure. You gotta look at the quality, make sure it's stitching, nothing's coming up.
And the large.
Alright, so we stopped at Publix. I was kind of feeling some tacos kind of thing, or more so burritos, so we're here at Jovin's Cali Mexi Grill.
Yeah, never been
So
here, but here
we'll
we
try
are.
it out. Shout out Jovin. Shout out to you, Jovin.
Got our food, we're gonna show you in a second. Look at that.
For what it is, like, it's pretty hefty bowls. Like, this is exactly what I was looking for. They have that burritos, bowls, tacos,
Good
nachos.
price.
Damn, the nachos probably would be fire.
I know, we had to try it. At the stop sign, take a left.
We're about to have a concert. Oh yeah. Got that food right there. Take that out. Take that out. Let's show the gang what we got. So we're gonna eat up a little bit more.
That air.
It's a pretty good view, y'all.
It's like a fucking mountain that does every video. Turn around. You gotta turn around and
Woo! That one be a little crazy, y'all.
We smashed it.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, hop out. Pull up, pull up, pull up, hop out. What are you looking at? Yeah. She got scared. So y'all, we're back at the cribbo. Doing some TSX stuff. She's over here messing with the interior, doing some things. Well, I'm about to do the axle job on here. Probably do the oil pressure switch. Boom, boom, boom. Get out of there. Hands are dirty as hell. So it's like the inner joints to where the half shaft goes is a big problem with the TSXs too. Even with the outer joints. So this one's a little bit looser than I'd like. You know, I'm making some rattle with the bearing, but I'd rather take that over this looser inner joint and aftermarket axle. This also has, you know, slight clicking chatter. Not as much as that, but hopefully it'll be all right. No, it's dark out, but darker out. I just got done with the job. We're going out for adventure today, y'all, for a little bit. Let's see what the day brings.
Y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Going to here?
Yeah, baby.
I need somewhere that's like empty.
Go right there. Holy shit, I'm shaking. We were on the highway, bro. That's so scary. Support! Hey. Oh. Another parking lot. Hey. Doing work. Ay, ay, ay.
And I think that's part of the reason why. Yesterday I was like literally doing the axle and I was like, damn, the rear tires probably need to be changed. And I started seeing the tread. That could have been the reason. And it was losing the air.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yummy. They don't look too bad, babe. Yeah, those look good for it. Yep.
The in-laws come to save the day. We got the donut on. Shout out to the in-laws.
Ah. You're gonna probably take a right, to be honest.
Never really driven on a donut like that.
50 miles.
And it feels fucking weird. It feels better than the other wheel did though, in a sense. That thing was ready to fucking blow up. I need to have stuff in the car. I'm my car guy, I'll be prepared. What's wrong with you, boy? Back at the crib. Thankfully that these stock white wheels that we got with the daily from Brandon, they are still holding air in the tires. They look all right and usable for the time being. We really have to find some wheels. It's long overdue. I want to find something different, but maybe I'm gonna still just find 2 used tires and for the meantime still rock the Koenigs, you know, you feel me? As much as y'all say they're jinxed and stuff and like a little cursed, which they might be a little bit.
You know, yeah,
They
maybe.
Who knows? Maybe.
They were on the first accident, but like knock on fucking wood.
Where the fuck is the holy water, you know? I'm about to go to church, get some holy water and fucking
Like,
y'all. All right, let's get this done. We got the wheels on the car, the other wheels, and the white don't look bad on the black. It looks good. It's just obviously being the stock wheels and the fitment don't nearly look as good. Too much negative camber. So yeah, update there. Shit happens, but we'll figure it out. See what's next. Yeah, different wheels, whatever. You know, we'll figure it out. I'll find something, some marketplace find. Get some snag. Find a snack. Speaking of snacks, I'm looking around right now. The TSX. Look at that shit. The beauty over there, all fucking shining. And we are back at the Rish TSX driveway, doing it up. She's back in the interior, putting it together. Shout out to my boo for always being part of it and just doing and wanting to be doing and car stuff and want to be in the life and Rish world and all that. You know, it's awesome. It's awesome. And we're over here about to do the oil pressure switch. I think that's my issue of the oil leaking right now. Hopefully. I mean, it has been replaced in a while, I'm assuming. So that's what I'm about to do. Hard to see the areas, you know. Got the oil pressure switch on. Hopefully it's tight enough. Obviously I put on some Gabagoo, the Honda Bonds Mega Gray on there, and I tightened it down snug. I just had PTSD from over tightening it one time and it cracked the block. So real nerve-wracking. My queen in here, my heart, doing the Lord's work and shit. She ended up rerouting this. It was hanging down over there, and I believe it has to do something with over here with the radio stuff and whatnot, per the diagram, because it only made sense because it's like there's nothing else that goes to anything else. Like it didn't make any sense. So yeah, shout out to her for getting the magnet and rerouting and making it happen. And look, it's not broken. It's
just the sliding thing wasn't properly aligned.
But yeah, she fixing things, making it happen, you know? Get you or her, but just not mine.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.